Energy production in microorganisms through anaerobic respiration. Some organisms cannot live in the presence of oxygen, for example, many bacteria. Such living organisms have to perform anaerobic respiration for energy productions. There is two steps, glycolysis and fermentation. We saw what glycolysis is. Fermentation is glucose is incompletely oxidized and less amount of energy is obtained in this type of respiration. Pyruvic acid produced through glycolysis is converted into the other organic acid or alcohol with the help of some enzymes in this process, and this is called as fermentation. For example, seeds perform anaerobic respiration if the soil is submerged under the water. This is the diagram of anaerobic respiration in the plants. And this is a diagram of energy from different food components. Amino acids. Amino acids are obtained after digestion of proteins. Those amino acids are absorbed in the body and transported up to the organ and cell via blood. From these amino acids, organs and cells produce various proteins necessary for themselves and the whole body. Fatty acids. The substance formed by specific chemical bond between fatty acids and alcohol are called as lipids. Digestion of lipids consumed by us is nothing but their conversion into fatty acids and alcohol. For example, the molecules called as phospholipids, which are essential for producing plasma membrane, are formed from the fatty acids. Vitamins. Vitamins are a group of heterogeneous compounds of which each is essential for the proper operation of various processes in the body. There are main 6 types of vitamins. For example, vitamin A, B, C, D, E and K. Water is an essential nutrient. Cell contains 70% of water weight by weight. Blood plasma also contains 90% of water. Along with all above mentioned nutrients, fibers are also essential nutrients. We obtain the fibers from the leafy vegetables, fruits, cereals, etc. Thank you for watching this video and keep watching the Academic Squad.